India. Size and location. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multi-phased socio-economic progress during the last few decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Location. India is a vast country. Lying entirely in the northern hemisphere, the mainland extends between latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north, longitudes 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 30 minutes north, divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Size. The landmass has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. Total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world. The southernmost point in Indian territory in Great Nicobar Islands is the Indira Point, that is 6 degrees 45 minutes, while Kanyakumari, also known as Cape Comorin, is the southernmost point of Indian mainland. The country thus lies wholly in the northern and eastern hemispheres. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers, with the coastline of the mainland including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 kilometers. India is bounded by the Jungfold Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degrees north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. Latitude and longitude. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is time lag of 2 hours. Hence, 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude is taken as standard time meridian of India, as it passes through the middle of India from Naini near Allahabad. India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is the southward extension of the Asian continent. The trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has indeed. It is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. India's contact with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. the ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the Indian numerals, and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 7 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors.